first of all, right? Dream Chasers inspire the world. They inspire the world, first of all. But anyways, Dream Chaser number one here. So you stop doing what you want to do because you feel like nobody's rocking with you. You know, nobody's liking your videos. Nobody's buying your t-shirts. Nobody's commenting on your thread. Nobody's coming to your events. So you stop what you're doing because nobody's rocking with you. You don't think about the one person that rocks with you, right? You don't think about the Alonzo Beckett's any videos of the world, right? Then you don't think about, like, you know, the E. Campbell's that does all your graphics and everything like that. So you stop doing what you want to do. You stop trying to inspire the world. You stop trying to be the dream chaser that you are because you want more. You want more people. You know, you don't think about the Jeffrey Stansberry who's taking quotes out of your writings and posting them up on Facebook because you say nobody's rocking with me, right? So you stop doing what you love to do. You stop doing what inspires you, what gets you going. That maybe there's somebody that's taking something away from what you're talking about. Yo, I realize the never stop dreaming applies to me too, right? It's my dream to inspire. It's my dream to get out there and encourage people to live the life of their dreams. Yo, I can't stop because I'm not getting enough. I gotta keep going for the people that are rocking with me. The people that are like going down this journey with me. You know, me and Zoe have over 100 shows we did. Me and E. Campbell come up with new stuff to do graphically every week. People are with me. People are with you on the things that you want to do, and you start slowing up on the process. You start slowing down on the output, and you wonder, you say, what happened to the movement, right? Nah, I'm telling you right now, Dream Chasers, you gotta never stop dreaming. You gotta keep pushing. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep doing it. Whatever it is that you're doing, whatever it is that you're trying to do a little bit of it. Do a little bit more of it. Do some of it every day, because you never know who you impacting. Not everybody's gonna be on the big stage. Not everybody's gonna be famous. Not everybody's gonna be well known. But right here where I am, right here in the community that I'm in, maybe there's a few people that are rocking with me, and we're just gonna rock until it's all said and done. I already got the gray beard. I'm already out here in years. Why stop now? Why stop now, Dream Chasers? So, never stop dreaming is real. Dream chasing is real. And so, it doesn't matter how little the number is that is rocking with you. If anybody's rocking, if you touching one, keep doing what you're doing. Dream Chasers inspire the world. Never stop dreaming. Cop a t-shirt, long sleeve, short sleeve, you know what it is. Never stop dreaming. We got all flavors. Peace.